Y'all know Grok is no longer free. Today, I will show you 2 AI tools you can use to generate videos for free.
All right, guys, let's get right into it. So you go to your browser and search for degi AI. Once you get here, click on the first one you're seeing at the top. Then you see this icon that looks like a head. Click on it, then it's going to bring out the option for you to sign up. So sign up with your email. If this pop up, just cancel it, and then I'm going to show you how to generate a video using the site. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, as I'm going to be bringing you more updates on free AI tools. Let's go. So cancel this. Then you see this plus button down here by the left. Click on it to bring in your image. We want to do image to video, but if it is just prompt to video you want to do, just put in your prompts and you send it. Okay, but I want to teach you how to use your image to generate a video. So click on upload image, then it will take you to your gallery. Select the image you want to use in generating your video. So I'm just going to pick this one right here. Then your image is going to upload here. So all you need to do, the next thing to do, is to put in your prompts where it says describe your video. So I'm going to move to ChatGPT right now to bring in a prompt I already requested earlier. So I'm just going to grab the prompt and copy it. Then we're going to go back to degi AI to generate the video. Okay, so move, press the top button, then paste your prompt here, but the screen is not showing fully. There's a button we need to press here. I'm just going to edit the prompt a little bit. Then for you to see the whole view of this site, is not showing well. Okay, for you to see the overview of the site, you need to change it to desktop mode if you are using your phone. So you need to change it to desktop mode. To do that, click on the 3 dots at the top. These 3 dots you are seeing at the top of my screen, it should be on your screen too. So you click on it. When you click on it, it's going to bring out some options here by your right. You can see, so select desktop sites, and the site mode is going to change. You can see everything on the site right now. So the prompt is here. Then you click on this button that looks like a star. Just tap on it to generate your video. Okay, if your image is no longer showing after you change it to desktop mode, just click on the plus button again and upload your video again, and upload your image again. You get me? So once that is done, you can now click on this button that looks like a star, and your video is going to start generating immediately. Okay, it doesn't take much time. It's just going to start generating. As you can see, it's generating right now. Are you seeing it at the top? It's generating. Within few minutes your video should be ready, and that is how to use this particular site to generate videos. Okay, you can use it to generate videos for your stories, your African folktales, and every other thing you need AI videos for. So that is how to use the first app. I'm still going to show you how to use another site to generate these AI videos. Okay, this particular one I'm going to show you right now is exactly like Grok, but the most amazing thing is that it is 8 seconds, not 6 seconds. So you can generate videos for 8 seconds. So let's play this particular one we generated just now.
Why didn't you clean this shoe? Look at them. I'll deal with you when I get back from work.
So for the second site, you just need to go to this site. The link is in the description of this video. This site is free, but ads do pop up. So if it ads pop up, you can just cancel it and use the site for free. Take notes, this site you don't need to sign up. Just come here, paste your prompt here, and generate your videos. Okay, this video is actually for those who already know how to generate their prompts and know how to generate videos. The major problem you're having is how to use free tools, and that is why this video is here to solve that problem for you. This tool is free to use 100%. Okay, so just put your prompt here. I'm going to put my prompt, then I'm going to edit some parts out of the prompt. Once you are done putting your prompt, the only single thing you need to do is just to click on generate. The site is very easy to use. You don't need to sign up, you don't need to put your email. So click on generate and our video will start loading like immediately. Let's scroll up so you can see the video while it's generating. Okay, so now this video is for the purpose of those who already know how to generate their videos and they are looking for free AI tools. Okay, but if you want me to create a step-by-step video on how to generate prompts for your videos, let me know in the comment section. Okay, do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and put on the notification bell so that YouTube will know that this video is helpful and other people that need solutions like this would see it. Okay, so let's go back to check our video. Now our video is ready at 100%. Okay, the site is actually very easy to use. Okay, so let's play the video for you to see prompt. Let me just download it, so I'll play it after the video so you can see it right now. To download your video, click on these three dots at the bottom right, then click on download, and the video is going to start downloading immediately to your device. Are you seeing that? Downloading file. So the video is automatically on my phone, so I'm going to play it for you to see. So this site, you can adjust it here. If you see the space, can adjust it, whether portrait or landscape. If it is one video you want to generate per time, that is how to do it. You can also use it to generate image. You can see video generator, image generator, prompt generator. So you can also use it to generate images. So I'm sure you have gotten a lot of value from this video. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to see you on the next one where I bring you more amazing AI tools and how to make money with AI. Bye.